Welcome again, Military Guna TV right here, and I am glad that you are here with me today. This is Southampton versus Arsenal in the fourth round of the FA Cup. Now, before I go anywhere, I have to do the administration. Thank you very much for the continuity in watching my content. Thank you for support. Thank you very much for the support. All those who have subscribed, all those who have hit the like button, and all those guys who are always in the comments and talking with me about the game, what you think. So continue with that, and I really do appreciate it. And all I can do is continue to give you guys better and better content. We're growing and we shall grow together. Now, before I go any deeper, I have to go and say this is a game that we have to win because we are defending champions and it is our trophy. Our trophy. Boom. Alright, so hit the subscription button if you're new here. Drop a like because we're going to get into some deep facts, and leave a comment. Now, Southampton, I think for this game in my starting lineup, I am going to feel a very strong side. I am going to put out a very strong side. Reason being, we're playing against them in the following week on Tuesday, and I think Southampton will come a bit aggressive for this game. Reason being is that they will not win the league. Southampton will never win the league for now, and they know that. Now, this FA Cup is an opportunity for them to win a trophy, and you will not put away the opportunity to win a trophy for something that you know you will never get. So I think Hart will definitely try his best to get a trophy, and this is a trophy that he would want to hold. Now, that is the main reason why I would implore Arteta to start with the strongest team. Now, if you play your strongest team in this game and you falter, you can make the necessary corrections for the following game, that is Tuesday. And that is one of the reasons why I would implore Arteta to start his best team. Before I go into the team lineup, I'm going to go in a bit of insights in regards to Arsenal Football Club and Southampton. Now, first one is Southampton have won just one of their last 9 meetings with Arsenal in all competition. They drew 3, they lost 5. Their only victory came in a 3-2 league defeat, a 3-2 league victory in December 2018. Now, Arsenal have been victorious in all 4 of their previous FA Cup ties against Southampton, going on to win the trophy on the last 3 occasions they have beaten the Saints. That's in the year 1979, 2003, and 2017. And can history repeat itself again? Because we have seen in 2017 where we beat the Saints, we beat Chelsea, we beat Manchester City in the semi-final, and then went to the final and defeat Chelsea in the final. Now, it's the case in which history is repeating itself again. We're going to play the Saints again, and then we're going to meet these 2 teams. Because in last year, 2019-2020 FA Cup tie, in the semi-final, we did play against Manchester City and then meet Chelsea in the final. And it's like deja vu, and it happened over and over again. And even the goals were quite similar to what happened. But it's a different year, and we have to defend our trophy. That trophy is ours. And we know that whenever there's a trophy, whenever there's a domestic trophy, suddenly Arsenal transform into prime Barcelona. I don't know what is the mathematics, the chemistry, the biology, and I don't know what algorithm is designing these players to know that whenever it's FA Cup, they should turn up. I cannot explain it. If someone can explain it, please put it in the comment. Put it in the comment if you can explain it, because I can't. I really can't. Why is that these performances are only in the FA Cup, and when you're in the League Cup, you're in the Premier League, even West Brom or Fulham is kicking you about? I don't know. I cannot understand. So, moving on to the next one. Arsenal have won 11 of the last 12 FA Cup away games, losing the other at Nottingham Forest in 2018, and that was an embarrassing defeat. But we move. Arsenal striker Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang has scored in all 4 of his appearances in the FA Cup, netting 6 goals in total in the competition. The last player from Arsenal to score in 5 consecutive FA Cup appearances was Mark Overmars between May 1998 and February 1999, and that is beautiful. So Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, you have to repeat yourself, and as I said, I'm starting my best team. Might see one adjustment based off the type of team we're playing against, and I will explain it to you when I'm doing my team selection. You'll get a better idea of what I am actually talking about. Because in those last 5 games, Southampton have won 1, and we have won 2, and 2 were drawn. So it was relatively equal to how these teams play. In overall, between Southampton and Arsenal, that Arsenal have been defeated 21 times, and between Arsenal and Southampton they have drawn 28 games, and Arsenal has won 51 games. And Arsenal is more dominant in every aspect of their meetings with Southampton, and I do appreciate that we are now showing dominance. And I know right now they're above us in the league table, but it's just for time. I do believe that we will be coming for them, and I hope that we defeat them coming next Tuesday, and you'll be seeing my preview for that game as well. Now, let's move into the meat of the matter, which is the starting line up. Now, why did I choose this starting lineup? My starting lineup is on solely on the basis of the type of team we're playing against. Now, we saw we played Newcastle. For 70% of the game, Newcastle basically encroached in their own half. Southampton does not play like that. So we cannot rely on certain players, because we know that Southampton will not sit in their own half and let Arsenal Football Club pressure them. That's not how they play. That is not how they play. Now, they have players such as Danny Ings, Walcott, Ward-Prowse. These type of players are players that can hurt you. They have good defenders as well. Vestergaard, they have a good right back, Walker-Peters. So we have to come with our A game, and because I do believe that these are the players that we will be playing against. And now, my starting lineup is solely based off how Southampton will play. So in goal, we have Bern Leno. Renasson is out of this. I am praying and hoping that Arsenal Football Club find a replacement for Martinez, or find a second string keeper as soon as possible. At right back, we are going back with Hector Bellerin. It's a bit harsh on Cedric because he got a taste of the Premier League and he did put in a wonderful performance. And something that what I realized is that he's very good attacking, and because Newcastle was so deep and encroached in their own half, he had more joy. So he could have whipped in those balls from early in the low block and create problems. Now, defensive pairing, we have Gabriel and Holding, and Murray is out, so it's Gabriel and Holding. David Luiz should go and sit on the bench and wait out on his another chance. Now, at left back, Kieran Tierney, he has more than enough rest time. Last game we played was on Monday, and now he's playing on Saturday, and it's more than enough rest for him. So I'm going with Kieran Tierney at left back. In the midfield pairing, we have Thomas Partey and Mohamed El Nini. Now, that is where people might come at me for. Now, Granit Xhaka looked really good because Newcastle was sitting in their own half. So Granit Xhaka looked really good. Now, when we're playing a team like Southampton, who have so many runners, players who want to get in behind as quickly as possible, we're going to have problem with Granit Xhaka recovering because he cannot run to save himself. He as fast as the fastest snail. So I'm going with Mohamed El Nini and Thomas Partey in midfield. Emil Smith Rowe in the attacking midfield area, and that is a given. We all know that. On the right, we have Bukayo Saka, which is our golden boy, and on the left, wicked man himself coming back into the team, Gabriel Martinelli. Up front, none other than Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. And the reason why I'm going with this starting lineup, I want some quick runners, some players who can get in behind as fast as possible, because Southampton will be open. They will not come and sit. We're going to their home. They will not sit deep and allow us to basically ponder them. They will not allow that. They play beautiful football, smart one touch, in out, in between the lines. They have a good coach and they have a good system that they are working with. Now, we cannot rely on Lacazette. Is the type of striker who plays well in a low block, where he has players running in behind. Players such as Emil Smith Rowe, Saka and Aubameyang. This won't be a low block game, so we need runners, people who can use space, a limited amount of space, and can get into certain areas as fast as possible. So that is the reason why I've added Martinelli and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang in the starting lineup in the attacking third. So this is my starting lineup. Let me run through it again. Leno in goal, Hector Bellerin at right back, Rob Holding and Gabriel as a defensive partnership. They're quick, they're fast, they can, well, Rob Holding is not that quick, but he has more pace than Mari, has more pace than David Luiz. And Gabriel is fast, has more pace than all of them. Kieran Tierney at left back, Thomas Partey and El Nini in the midfield, because this midfield battle would be about physicality and pace. Emil Smith Rowe in the attacking midfield area, we know what it does. Glides across the pitch like Alexander Gleb, and that suits us well. Martinelli on the attacking left, and Bukayo Saka, our golden boy. Bukayo Saka, Lionel Saka, Messi, and Kevin De Smith Rowe. I don't have a name for Martinelli yet, so I think Martinelli is a special breed. He's a rare kind of player. So he's just Martinelli. But for now, up front, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Tuesday, I think what might happen and how this game pans out, I think that if we should win this game and beat them badly, they will come and sit deep. They will sit deep on Tuesday. So that is where we could bring back Alexander Lacazette in the team and play those short passes, one touch with Smith Rowe and also Saka. Well, if you disagree with anything that I've said so far, please put it in the comments, and I will talk to you about it there and let you know. We can interact there as well. So before you go, please hit that subscribe button, that red button right there. It marks subscribe, and also hit the like. Hit the like before you go. Hit the like before you go. Like target 40. I'm going for 40 and above. The minimum like should be on this video should be 40. So thank you very much for tuning in. This is Military Guna TV. I am Murray Dakers, and guess what? I am out.